Now, let's move to linked list. Imagine you are working with a long list of tasks. You store them in ArrayList and things are going well. But now, you need to insert a new task right in the middle. Oh, ArrayList will shift every element after it to make space. That's extra work and it slows things down if the list is large. So, here is the problem. How do we handle lot of insertion and deletion efficiently? Now, a quick question for you all. Have you ever faced a situation where you needed to insert or remove items frequently from the middle of a list? Comment below. I would love to know. This is where linked list in Java shines. Unlike ArrayList, linked list does not store element in a contiguous block of memory. Instead, it stores them as nodes. Each node has the data, that is your actual value, and a link or reference to the next node. So, inserting or deleting become easy. You just adjust the links without shifting everything else. Now, let's see the syntax first. Now, let's see the detailed syntax for creating the linked list. Alright, the first thing is the list. As you can see here, it is an interface in Java. By writing list type, we are saying I want to create a list that can hold object of this type. Inside angle bracket, we put the actual data type. For example, I can write list, then inside angle bracket, string means this list will hold strings like name or task. Next, we have list name. This is just the variable name for our list. You can call it anything meaningful like task, students or playlist. Think of it like giving our linked list a nickname so you can use it later. Now there is equal sign. This means we are assigning the object on the right hand side to this variable on the left. Then we have new linked list. This is the actual object creation. We are telling, hey, give me a brand new linked list to work with. Then we have the angle bracket. This is called diamond operator. It lets Java figure out the type automatically from the left side. So we don't need to repeat it. Now putting it all together, we will create a list and call it task and make it a linked list object where each element is a string. So let's comment it out and let's create it. To avoid extra time, let's paste the code directly and understand line by line how it's working. Now, here linked list string task equal to new linked list. Here we are creating a linked list that will hold string. I am calling it task. Think of it as notepad where we will write down our daily task. Now, after that, we are adding the items. First, the wake up, then brush teeth, and then go for a walk using the add method. Since linked list keeps things in order, we add them. And our list right now look like first wake up, then brush teeth, then go for a walk. And after that, we are printing them out with initial task. So let's save our file and run this. And you can see initial task, wake up, then brush teeth, then go for a walk got printed. Now let's move further with the next part. Now let's insert some more tasks at different index and let's see what's happening. Now you can see task.add 1 comma make coffee. Here there is something very interesting. Make coffee is now at index 1. Remember, indexing starts at 0. So index 0 is wake up, and after that we insert 1 at index 1, make coffee. It will go right after wake up, and in the next line we are printing that after inserting at index 1, our make coffee gets printed, and in the next line we have item at index 1. Using dot get method, it will actually print the item at index 1 to confirm that it should be make coffee. So let's save our file and let's see what's happening. And you can see earlier we printed our initial task which got printed. Then after inserting at index 1, we got printed make coffee. Wake up is at 0 index, make coffee at 1, brush teeth at 2, and go for a walk at 3. And item at index 1 is make coffee as per this line. Now let's see some more things. Now let's remove some task and let's see what get printed. So here using dot remove method, we are removing brush teeth from the list. The remove method finds and deletes it. After this step, let's see what's happening. And you can see the brush teeth got removed. Here it is brush teeth at index 2, and here there is no brush teeth. Using dot remove method, it got removed. Now let's see some more things using iterating over for each loop. Now we will iterate with for each loop. For that we will write our for loop. Let's write now we are iterating using for each loop, that is string task string and then printing our task. Now this loop will loop entirely, and linked list using enhanced for loop will print each of the tasks in the list one by one. So let's save our file and see what's happening. And you can see each task got printed using this for loop, that is enhanced for loop. We will talk about it in further lesson in detail. For now, it's printing the task in the list which is given all. Now here in this code, we created a linked list and added task, then inserted one in the middle and then showed the item at index 1, then removed another, and finally we printed everything we wanted in our list. Now the quick tip here is use a linked list when you will be inserting and removing items often. It's faster than ArrayList for those operations. So let's move further with the next part.